How to make a guild in Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Discord application. After that, tap on this plus icon. Tap on join a server. Then here, search for Clans World. If you cannot find it, simply go to your browser and then search for discord.com/invite slash clans world. Then simply tap on accept invite. And just like this, you are now a member in a clan. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you got